Hey everyone, what's up? If you're scrolling through TikTok looking for that next dose of inspiration, beauty hacks, and straight up fun, I've got someone you need to know about. Today, we're diving into the world of Miriam.thefav, better known as at Miriam.thefav2 on TikTok. This girl is blowing up with over 165,000 followers and a whopping 6.3 million likes. And trust me, once you see her content, you'll see why she's everyone's fave. Miriam is all about that vibrant, creative energy. She's a young talent sharing beauty tips, killer fashion looks, and those viral trends that make you hit replay. Whether it's stunning nail designs or gym outfit inspo, she's got the youth hooked on self-expression and positivity. Stick around because we're breaking down what makes her so special. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk inspiration. Miriam is a total game changer for anyone chasing creativity. Take her Black Flame acrylic nail video, for example. It's got over 11,000 likes, and she's showing off these edgy, unique designs that scream, "Try this at home." She's not just posting pretty pics, she's dropping real tips on how to level up your manicure game. And her fashion hauls? Pure fire. From gym outfits that make you want to hit the weights to everyday style makeovers, Miriam inspires you to mix it up and own your look. If you're a teen or young adult feeling stuck, her content is like a spark, reminding you that beauty and style are all about having fun and being you. Now, interaction? Miriam nails it, pun intended. She's super engaged with her followers, popping into comments with hearts, replies, and even shoutouts. In one of her videos about embracing TikTok fame, she shares how she stays connected, responding to fans who say her tips boosted their confidence. Comments like, "This changed my whole vibe," or "You're my inspo queen," flood her posts. She's got 38 comments on that nail vid alone, all hyping her up. Plus, with her Snapchat and Instagram linked in her bio, she's always chatting, sharing behind the scenes, and building that real community feel. It's not just one way. Miriam makes you feel like part of the squad. And the positive influence? Oh man, that's where she shines brightest. In a world full of negativity, Miriam keeps it uplifting and empowering. Her videos on navigating fame show her staying grounded and relevant, encouraging followers to chase their dreams without the drama. She's all about boosting self-esteem through beauty secrets and creative trends. Think viral sounds mixed with personal stories that motivate young girls to embrace their uniqueness. Whether it's a quick makeup tutorial or a talent showcase, her content screams, "You got this." It's entertaining, sure, but it leaves you feeling inspired to create your own magic. No wonder she's trending with hashtags like #FYP and #viral. She's the positive force the youth needs right now. So, there you have it. Miriam.thefav is the ultimate TikTok gem for anyone seeking inspiration, killer entertainment, and that feel-good vibe. With her creative flair, genuine interactions, and positive energy, she's not just an influencer, she's a role model showcasing young talent in the best way. If you're into beautiful creator girls who keep it real and fun, at Miriam.thefav2 is your new obsession. If this got you hyped, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite TikTok trend, and subscribe for more spotlights on rising stars. Head over to TikTok right now and follow at Miriam.thefav2. Tell her I sent you. Catch you in the next video. Stay inspired, stay awesome.